Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by opening the site and launching Instant Data Scraper. Make sure the page has loaded fully. Once done, click the extension and let it auto-detect patterns. You want rows or repeated blocks. Next, point the tool to the element representing a row. If pagination exists, enable the pagination toggle and supply the next page selector or button. This first step sets the structure you'll extract across multiple pages, so confirm previews show consistent rows before proceeding. Now you configure what to capture and how to flip pages. You should map each column by clicking sample cells and editing the XPath or CSS selector for precision. This avoids inconsistent captures. Then choose pagination method, a next button click, an incremental URL pattern, or simulate scrolling for infinite pages. Make sure to set a reasonable wait time and a max page count to avoid timeouts or throttling. Once the selectors and limits are solid, run a short test of 3-5 pages to verify. You're ready to run the complete scrape. Start it and watch the progress bar while sampling rows to ensure consistency. Once finished, export the dataset to CSV, Excel, or JSON and verify row counts against expected totals. If you see missing pages or blank fields, first refine the selectors for dynamic elements, then increase wait times or adjust the pagination selector. As a final troubleshooting tip, replay the test with developer tools open to inspect network delays or lazy-loaded content that may require scrolling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.